In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix a problem that Bongo Cat is not starting on your PC. Okay, for the first step, we can go to the search bar and here we look for the task manager. So we click on this and then we can search for all processes which are connected with Bongo Cat, like Bongo Cat as the game or the launcher you start Bongo Cat with, like Steam. And if you find something, some processes which Bongo Cat, you can right click on this and then you can end the task. So sometimes processes from the game are running in the background and then the game will not start. Okay, this is the first step you can do, and after that you can go into the search bar and here we look for Bongo Cat. I do this now with Discord for example, but you do it with Bongo Cat. So then we can right click on it and here we can run the program as an administrator. This is really important. You can do this here, or we can also click on open file location. Then this window will open. We right click on it again, show more options, go on properties, and here we have compatibility, and then we have more settings, and here we can run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. After that, we can click on apply on OK, and then you have to restart your PC, and then the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have other problems, write it in the comments below. We will find a solution, and then see you next time.